Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Audi R8. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver, fender, and wheel. Everything here looks perfect. No scratches on the fender at all, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. Everything on this door looks perfect. No dents, no scratches at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in really good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Alright, everything back here looks great. No scratches, no dents. Along the back looks perfect. The back bumper has no scratches at all. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything on here looks perfect. This quarter panel has no scratches at all, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the passenger door. Everything on this door looks fine. I'm not seeing anything wrong. And now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. No scratches, no curb rash. Everything here is in good condition. So the exterior of this car is in perfect condition. Let's have a look inside. And we're gonna start with the driver's seat. Alright, the driver's side is in perfect condition. Let's take a look at the passenger side. Okay, everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.